Hi, Carmen Bunde with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Ambassador Real Estate. I'm here with Brian Brown from AGR Roofing and Contracting, or Roofing and Construction. And I wanted to talk about and get Brian's advice. When you start to see water in your ceiling, what do you do first?
Okay, that's a very common thing that we get called out on.
Yeah.
You're upstairs and you find a water spot,
Yes.
right? And what do? First things first, that is absolutely the time to call one of us to come out and look at it and assess it.
Okay.
We don't know where that's coming from yet. Is it storm related? Don't know. But we want to do an inspection for you, which is free. It's a completely free charge for no charge on the inspection. But you need somebody to go up and look at that roof to see if it's roof related.
Okay.
When you have a water spot on the ceiling, it could be a billion different things.
Okay.
It could be wind related, could be hail related, it could be a problem with the roof, that the roof is coming apart in some way, or it could be something in your attic space happening.
Okay.
We find a lot of times when we switch from winter to spring and we turn on our HVAC systems, we have a lot of condensation issues occur.
Oh, right.
If you have ventilation or vents that go up through that are heat vents and then cool vents that are running in the attic space, sometimes they start to sweat. The sweat creates a leak, what you think is a leak, and it's actually pipe related instead of roof related. But the big thing is, call somebody to look at it and start assessing what's going on.
Okay, perfect. So if you see water spots in your ceiling and it's not perfectly obvious where it's coming from, that your kids left the tub running and overflowing.
Yep.
If it's not perfectly obvious, call a roofer, call Brian with AGR, and have somebody come out and take a look at it and make sure to assess what's going on, because we do. Wind can drive water in through various places. Sometimes it's roof damage, but you want to make sure that you're on top of it, because from an insurance perspective, if there is damage, what's the window of time?
Your window of time varies from different insurance companies, but a good baseline would be 1 year, right?
Okay.
So you do have, it is our responsibility as homeowners with that insurance policy, our responsibility is to call and ask for someone to come look at it.
Yes.
They talk about it's your responsibility to report damage.
Yeah.
That's how the whole thing starts. But before you make that phone call, it's probably advised, and they're going to tell you this too, to have a professional look at it and tell you what's going on.
Right.
Is it insurance related, or is something else happening in the house?
Right. So don't ignore it. Call the pros. And if you have any questions, call Carmen first. Have a great day.